Hey everyone, 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellstorm is the next evolution of American muscle, pushing boundaries with insane power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology. Dodge has taken everything enthusiasts love about the Challenger and turned it up to 11, creating a car that embodies raw performance and modern innovation. At the heart of the Hellstorm lies a monstrous supercharged 7.0-liter Hellcat V8 engine, delivering an earth-shattering 1,000 horsepower. This makes it the most powerful production Challenger ever, surpassing even the legendary Demon 170. Dodge engineers have fine-tuned the engine to provide brutal acceleration while maintaining control, making it a true menace on both the drag strip and the open road. The Hellstorm rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.5 seconds, with quarter-mile times dipping well into the 9-second range. Thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system, it puts power down more efficiently than ever before, ensuring maximum grip and performance. The exterior design of the Hellstorm is just as aggressive as its performance. Dodge has reworked the classic Challenger silhouette with sharper lines, a widened stance, and an even more menacing front fascia. The redesigned hood features a massive functional air intake to keep the supercharged beast cool under pressure. New LED lighting signatures give it a futuristic touch while maintaining the muscle car's intimidating presence. A large rear wing improves aerodynamics and downforce, ensuring high-speed stability. Dodge offers a range of bold color options, including exclusive Hellstorm-specific shades that make this car stand out even more. Inside, the Challenger Hellstorm balances retro muscle car charm with modern-day luxury and technology. High-performance bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara and leather provide both comfort and support. A customizable digital gauge cluster and a massive infotainment touchscreen bring the latest tech into the classic muscle car world. The Hellstorm also features a premium audio system, advanced driver assistance technology, and track-focused performance settings that allow drivers to fine-tune everything from suspension stiffness to launch control settings. One of the most exciting aspects of the Hellstorm is its ability to deliver power while remaining street-friendly. Unlike previous high-horsepower Challengers, which were often challenging to handle, this model comes equipped with multiple driving modes, allowing owners to adjust power output, traction control, and suspension settings for different driving conditions. Whether cruising on the highway or dominating the track, the Hellstorm adapts seamlessly to the driver's needs. Dodge is also offering a limited edition Hellstorm package with lightweight carbon fiber components, upgraded Brembo brakes, and track-ready tires for those who want an even more extreme driving experience. With the rise of electrification in the automotive industry, the 2025 Hellstorm might be one of the last great gas-powered muscle cars, making it an instant collector's item. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellstorm is more than just another high-performance muscle car. It's a statement, a final, unapologetic roar from Dodge before the industry shifts toward electrification. With 1,000 horsepower, stunning design, and cutting-edge technology, this machine is built for those who crave unfiltered power and a driving experience like no other. For muscle car enthusiasts, the Hellstorm isn't just a car, it's a legend in the making.